Hey everyone, if you're getting ready for knee replacement surgery, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and nerves. I'm here to help you out to get fully prepared so that your surgery and recovery go as smoothly as possible. Today we're starting a series of videos where I'm sharing the essential steps you need to take before your knee replacement surgery to make it as successful as possible. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy and Supply Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video that you can find linked in the description box below. Now let's jump right into it. People having knee replacement surgery for a number of different reasons, and here are the most common ones we see: arthritis, fractures around the knee joint, certain types of sports injuries, and cancer. So when preparing for knee replacement surgery, it's essential to plan ahead. As the old saying goes, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. To support you in this process, we are producing a video series focused on knee replacement surgery. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Your support is really important to us. This is done at no cost to you, and it helps us continue creating valuable content that assists individuals in returning to an active and fulfilling life. Now please check out all our videos in this series, and let's get back to living.